Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Katarina, and for today's video it is a 10-minute follow along core workout. This is going to be a very difficult 10-minute workout, but I assure you that this is going to be very effective, and I hope you take on this challenge with me and enjoy. The first exercise is a plank, and we're going to hold it for 1 minute. Don't mind the 30-second interval clock. We're just going to have to hold the exercise for 2 30-second intervals.
So good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah.
Next, we're going to do side planks. Start with whatever side you want to start with, and we're going to hold each side for 30 seconds. Next up, we have bicycle crunches.
If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about me. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Let's do some twists.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking,
now we're going into some leg lifts.
It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it would be so sweet. But when it's you and me.
Alright, so the next exercise is going to be right elbow to left knee crunches. We will do each side for 30 seconds. we have a break for 30 seconds, get some water, hydrate, and then we're soon going to go back into the rest of the workout. Great job, guys. Make sure that you repeat this workout 3 times a week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, to ensure that you will get those rock hard abs. Alright, let's get back to the workout. We are going to do a backward plank in 3, 2, 1.
Nobody can bring us down, beat us down, can bring us down, beat us down, can bring us down, bring 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 us down. But I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back.
It is time for some mountain climbers. Next up, we have the cross mountain spider plank.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right,
Let's go back into some twists.
I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like
Here's gonna be the difficult part, but I know you got this. We are going to do flutter kicks. My abs are burning right now. Let's do some toe taps.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that
Next up, T rotation.
I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I.
We are almost done, guys. Let's go into the up and down plank. The last exercise is going to be burpees. You're almost at the finish line. You got this.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us.
I hope that you enjoyed this workout. Well, this was a little hard. Maybe you didn't enjoy it, but this was really beneficial for your abs. Make sure that you repeat this video several times. It will be always on my YouTube channel. You can go back to it. Also, check out my 20-minute, no equipment needed workout, full body workout. And I hope that I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, peace.